Hello my Dotty family and welcome to my channel. Come and join me on this magical journey through the world of dot art and bunnies and eggs for Easter. So this is part 2 of the video, so if you haven't seen part 1, just go and have a look at part 1 here in order to join us on this beautiful journey of canvas. Next we're going to take our 8mm tool and our white paint. So with the white, you're going to make a dot on each and every single straight line, quite close to your spiral, like that. Now what I want to do is I want to add some detail to this later. So I'm just going to take my tools. You can use any one with a ball effect and just flatten those bubbles for me a little bit. So I just scrape them flat. I just don't want that little bubble there, because we're going to be adding some texture. Right. Then we are going to add some more of these, because you guys are going to see this is going to be quite cute. Oh, so cute. But you guys just love cuteness. Okay. This one I'm going to place around about there. So give a little bit of space in between them. The idea, what I want to create, is paw prints. Or little bunny footsies, if you want to call it that. So almost imagine that little bunny was walking on your canvas all the way around in a circle. And exactly the same thing, I want you to flatten those peaks for me as well. Great. Next, we're going to add the toe prints. So we're going to use again the big ball tool, and in the same color we're going to need to re-dip it between every dot. So just choose the direction that your bunny decided to walk in, like that. And then just add the little toes all the way around. How cute is that starting to look? It's starting to take shape nicely. So I try and keep the center toe of the center ones on the straight line, like so. And then I just add one on each side. This one, same thing. So if you had to follow the circle line in relation, it should go around about there. Now I'm getting build-up on my tool again, paint build-up, so I'm just going to reset the size and carry on. Okay, great. So grab your hairdryer and quickly dry this. Okay, so now that this is dry, I'm going to add little bunny paw pads. So we're going to do, let me just see here, 4mm, and for this I'm going to use pink, or my color number 2. So with my 4mm, I'm just at the base, I'm going to put a 4mm dot like that on all of them. Then I'm going to add some little pink paw prints in here as well. So this one I'm using the middle one again. So the middle ball of the size balls. Going to do that. I think that's quite cute. So just keep them in line with the toes. So I usually do my center one first and then I just add one on each side. Something like that. So center and then one there and one there. Next I want to section off the bunny feet from the next section we're going to do. So I'm going to build a circle, but this is going to be a multicolored circle. So what we're going to do is just from in each section we're going to do a color. Now I'm going to be using the middle ball of those tools, and I'm going to start with color number 1. So color number 1 kind of ended here in this section, like on that straight line, and it's going in that direction. So I'm thinking I should just start from here. Let me see. So I'm using the circle line to see in relation where my circle should fall, and I'm just following that. So I'm keeping a space open like on that straight line so we can do the next color there. And I want to end on the straight line there. So in other words, where that one starts, basically going in that direction over there. And then I'm going to do all of them like that. So this one will be here. And then color number 2, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. So basically it starts here. And there we go with a multicolored circle. Join me again for part number 3, and I will see you then. Stay magical, stay dotty. Bye bye.
Every single day